is bright and early. It is 7:45 on Saturday, and I'm about to leave for a camping trip, and I think Emerson knows. He's down here. He's been following me around like my little baby duck all morning. So anyway, I just wanted to check in really quickly because I am going to bring y'all along with me on the camping trip. It'll be a lot of fun, and I'll explain why I'm there and who I'm with and how often I do this. So Zach is staying here, and so is Emerson. It'll just be me, and we're going to Inks Lake, which is in Texas, and at a certain time of the season, all of the foliage will start changing, and so I hope that's now, but we will see. So anyway, I am just wearing a plain white tee from Old Navy. It's like a square crop top, and then I'm actually wearing Old Navy shorts as well. They're green, and then I have just my black bathing suit on underneath, and then I just have my chacos, so my black chacos. I don't know if you could see that. I don't have my glasses, so hopefully you saw that outfit. I will record when I get there. It'll take me about 2 hours, so yeah, I'm hoping to get there by 10, so I need to leave soon because I do want to stop at Starbucks to get something to drink. So let me just grab my tent just to be safe, and then we will head out. Okay, bye. Check in with you guys soon. This is everything that's in my backpack. So this is my personal bag, my fanny pack. So I have my wallet, my sunglasses, which I need right now. I have my glasses, and this bag just has like a bunch of toiletries in it. So yeah, I should have really used my tripod, but I have to go and it's already packed. Anyway, there's just like, finally got it open. So I have some Listerine strips, my Burt's Bees, I have perfume, I have feminine products, a little tiny bit of hand sanitizer, I'm not going to refill it, and then tissues. Okay, so that's what's in this bag, and then this bag here is what holds my camera, and then this, I'm also going to stick this in here, so this is just like all my cables and cords and stuff, and then obviously my keys. This is really cool. It is my silverware bottle opener. It's all mini, and it comes with these little cups. So that's that, and then you just kind of like push it on like that. It is so cute. Don't know, but I think that's just a sticker. And then I have my book and my journals. I have my little lantern. I have some bug spray and some sunscreen, a headlamp, and then a flashlight. And I think that's it. And I'm carrying this bag. It was gifted to me from the organization that I work with. So, or that I should say that I volunteer with. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to stick all that in here. That goes in there. Okay, and let me put these on. Alright, I just picked up some Starbucks, so I got the turkey bacon sandwich, just what I always get, and then I got the iced coffee with vanilla sweet cream cold foam. This is the group that we went camping with. It was a women's only camp out with the nonprofit Latino Outdoors. If you have never heard of them, I highly encourage you to check them out. They're not only in Texas, but they're all over the US. And if you love to camp or be outdoors, go hiking, literally just be active in some type of way, and you want a group of people to have fun and feel safe with, then you should check them out.